So hello students, now we will be starting practice set 3.2. We have already completed practice set 3.1. So those were quite easy problems. So these are also easy. So let us start solving them. Now in the first question there is an activity given. Okay, you can see over here that write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. Okay, now it's an arithmetic progression that is given. Okay, and the series is, ये सीरीज हमको दिया हुआ है. ओके, व्हाट इज इट 1, 8, 15 and 22 dot dot. Okay, so what does it mean? Now we know that the meaning of a is nothing but the first term. Okay, so over here our a is 1 because a is nothing but the first term, so value of a is 1. Now next t1 is a itself. Okay, so t1 is also 1, a is also 1. Okay, you need not get confused. T2, what is the value of T2? This is T1, this is T2. T2 is 8. Okay, that's the second term. And T3, that is the third term, is 15. Okay, so this completes the first line. And the second line, what is given is T2 minus T1. So what is our T2? T2 is 8 and T1 is 1. So we will write 8 minus 1, that is equal to 7. Okay, completed. Third line, now T3 minus T2. What is T3? T3 is 15. So therefore 15 minus T2, that is 8. 15 minus 8. Okay, we know 15 minus 8 is 7. And therefore we see that the difference, common difference, that is equal to 7, because in both the cases our difference was 7. Any term difference is the common difference. Or here we can see that T2 minus T1 is common difference, which is 7. Same 7 T3 minus T2 is also common difference, which is 7. So therefore our value of D is 7, and that is our answer. Okay, similarly we have to solve others also. So talking about the second problem, 3, 6, 9 and 12 are given. Over here the value of T1, that is the first term, is nothing but 3, T2 is 6, T3 is 9 and T4 is 12. Okay, now T2 minus T1 will be, look here, T2 minus T1, so it is 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Similarly T3 minus T2, T3 minus T2, so 9 minus 6, again 3, and therefore our common difference D is equal to 3. Okay, so this is our answer. Similarly for the third problem, minus 3, it is given as minus 3, minus 8, minus 13 and minus 18. Okay, so here we have to be careful since the negative numbers are given. Okay, so here T3 is, now look here, it is not asked T1 or A. Okay, it is T3. So look at the series. So T3 is nothing but minus 13. Okay, T2 is minus 8. So they are jumbled. Okay, T3, then T2, and now it's T4. What is T4? T4 is this, minus 18. So you have to pay attention and write the values. Okay, we need not get confused. And T1, then they have asked T1. T1 is minus 3. Okay, accordingly we have filled the respective boxes. Now T2 minus T1, where is T2? This is T2, let me use another ink. This is T2 and this is T1. So T2 minus T1, that is minus 8, minus of minus 3. Okay, so that is nothing but minus 8 plus 3 is equal to minus 5. Okay, so we will write over here minus 5. Okay, next is T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 13. T3 minus T2, minus of minus 8. Okay, so this becomes minus 13 plus 8, which is nothing but how much? So 8 plus 4 is 12 and 1 5. Okay, so this is also, we'll put the value of higher number, sign of higher number. Okay, that is negative. So this is also minus 5, and therefore value of a is equal to, a is nothing but t1, okay, the first term, which is equal to minus 3, and the value of d we have found out, that is the common difference, it is minus 5. Okay, so these are our answers. Similarly, solving for the fourth, the last from question 1, that is 70, 60, 50, 40. So now I think after going through all this through all these problems, this is easy to solve. So this can be taken as, or you can also take it as homework. Okay, but okay, it can be done easily. Let me do it for you. So it is t1 is 70, t2 is 60, t3 is 50. Okay, t3 up till only t3 is given. Then the value of a is nothing but t1. Therefore the value of a is 70, and the value of d, now d, we know how to find d. Okay, how to find d? D is nothing but t2 minus t1. So what is the value of t2? It is 60 minus t1, that is 70, is equal to minus 10. Okay, and we need not worry, since it is given as, already it is given, mentioned in the question that it is arithmetic progression. So the value of d, that is common difference, is minus 10. Okay, so this is our answer. I hope you have understood this. Thank you.